And I am extremely delighted to witness an altogether fresh start of fashion by FDCR's event, Laconic 2019. This is for the first time in our pink city, Jaipur, that a fashion event of such a magnitude has come to life. This will also help us in settling a new benchmark for fashion and promoting more tourism from around the world. As far as tourism is concerned, ever since I have taken over the department, I would like to inform you that we are working day in and day out trying to promote tourism. And recently, Rajasthan Tourism also got the award from the center for the best heritage. And there is so much to see in Rajasthan that people have not seen. And let me assure you that the tourism department encourages these kind of events, and also we are in the tourism department now making new circuits which are combined with religion, forest and archaeology. And I'm sure in the next few months, you will definitely see a remarkable change. And I wish this program all the success, and I wish you all a very, very happy day, and also would like to take leave. Thank you so much.